Yo, welcome back to another adventure video, Ratchet and Clank. You know how it is, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys are loving it. I am. And don't forget to like and subscribe. A lot of you guys are watching, not subscribed. Come on now. You don't need to even hit the bell. You just fucking, no, not even a like. You just need to subscribe. That's all. That's all. Alright, let's hop right into it. We're gonna leave off where we left off in the last episode. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's get it. Alright. Now my new objective is over there. I wonder, like, we should be able to control that.
How about I hook you up with the signal booster to fix that communicator of yours?
That would be delightful.
So before we keep on keeping on, we'll do a little bit of upgrade. Wait, you can't upgrade, right? Golden bolt. Wait, what? Get the bubblegum one. Hell
Not as thrilling as
yeah.
what we're gonna find in this info bot,
Alright.
but it'll be close.
My bad, I got carried away. We'll change it up this episode. We'll go with the Marauder. Yeah. Alrighty, so now we got. Whoa. Alright, let's go down here. I saw something back here. I'm just an explorer, you know. Anything else here? Oh.
Where are you going to put that?
Let's go! Nah, we'll keep that shit like it is. Mr. Explorer, my bad, ladies and gentlemen. I thought, well, not my bad. We'll just keep on doing this for a minute, just looking around. Since we've been finding all these bolts and stuff, you know.
Oh, where's your present floating, Maynard? Mort, you fixed it! Thank you. Ready to go?
Absolutely.
Let's get a little bit of
good merchandise when you see it.
coming soon. We got all these. Whoa. Alright. Fill our ammo. Oh, the upgrade. Ooh. Upgrade. Got the upgrade.
Looks like you got some open
15.
sales and the raritanium to match.
Let's max out our blast pistol.
Ooh, that is practically
Maxed
bursting
her
with
out.
power
Whatever
now.
one do we use? We'll do the enforcer. So
Bless your heart, you already own that one.
let's go around
That
and
is
around.
one mighty fine enhancement.
So I'm sure when we leveled up, we'll be able to unlock all the
Make
other
sure
ones.
to tell your friends now.
What?
You guys are let your love.
What does it say?
Phantom, Moidoi, Captain Quantum, Klatchki. Me. Attention, Resistance. I'm posting the Emperor's hit list to our network. Come on, let's fix that communicator. We've got a dimension to save before the Emperor
Oh,
finds us
baby,
too.
we're going in. Oh. Wait, I'm a guy where are, they're not here. Oh. Those are pasties. We haven't went here. We didn't go everywhere. Let's go. Let's go. Forget.
Let's do this.
Let's go on a ship. We're going on a trip on my favorite rocket ship to the moon and back. Actually, we're going here. I don't know where here is, but we're going here. Right there.
What's on your mind?
She could read?
Come on, let's hear it.
I am feeling a bit responsible for all of this. Perhaps it is because of me that the dimensions are falling apart, that Ratchet and I are lost.
Oh, yeah. Well, hey, your communicator's about to get fixed, so that's something.
She's
Right.
trying to brighten up the day. Oh, look at that little boot. You saw that little boot to land? That's pretty cool. Gastro Pub. I always look behind my shoulder.
So, this is Zerky's Gastropub and Battleplex. If there's anywhere in the universe we'll find a part to fix you up, it's here.
I hope you are right. The destruction of the Dimensionator seems to have caused a sort of dimensional cataclysm. If I cannot find Ratchet,
Don't worry, Bolts. I'll get you fixed up. Promise.
Bolts, his name's Clank, bro. What is the, I forget. Oh, I think I saved this one. Well, I saved one of them that looks like that. Get all my coins, I'm gonna need to buy that other. Oh man, talk about guns.
Wanna make your enemies go bzzz? Grab the lightning rod!
And the lightning rod, you gotta be shitting me, bro. Wait, what?
do you spend much time here?
Yeah, this place is kind of a safe haven for the Resistance. I hope
Safe
the Emperor
haven.
didn't find that out too.
Welcome to Zerky's, your newly intradimensional gastropub and battleplex. I will take your coat and also all your weapons.
Think I'd be used to that by now.
Thanks for coming to Zerky's, where we slaughter with a smile.
Zerky's usually behind the bar. He'll know where to find the pirate with the spare parts.
Wait, I need to. Where's field of view? There we go. He's behind the bar, you say. Holy shit.
No. Oh.
Namaste, and peace be with you, Rivet.
Hey, Zerky,
Namaste.
have you seen our favorite first mate anywhere? I need a signal booster.
Well. We meet again, my wee chérie.
We meet again, ma chérie.
Give me the part.
Did you follow me here? Another fruitless effort to win my affection?
Give me the part, Pierre.
Time and
Pierre.
again, I tell you, my heart is taken. And yet,
Rusty
That's funny.
Pete.
Rusty? Mon Dieu, your friend has a saucy tongue. My name is Pierre l'affaire. Pirate extraordinaire.
Damn.
I'll fight you for it.
Xerxes is a violent spree zone. Take it outside.
Yeah, let's go.
I am more lover than fighter. But for you, I will always make an exception.
Ooh.
Ready to kick some robo butt?
I have many issues with that question. But why not? Where do we sign up to battle?
There's a console on that big wall of windows over there. It's cool. I'll show you.
Welcome, defeat Pierre's crew. Oh, so we get armor while fighting and stuff? That's pretty cool. Yeah. The slaughter Lex. Alright, come on, Pierre.
Oh dear. Why must every dimension have a dangerous battle arena?
I will fight you both myself! But first, you must prove you're worthy!
The pirates are coming through rifts.
Gotta admire them for always finding new ways to cheat.
Yes!
Hey,
Terry
oh,
Safety!
this one.
Magic of spaceman! A true signature!
Upgraded, I guess.
I lost me sights on him!
Boom, boom. Wave 2 complete.
As amusing as this is to watch, I am on fire!
Oh, easy slight work right now.
What is going on?
That's not fair. Oh shit, Pierre. Wait for how many waves is there?
How many rounds you got?
A lot of rounds, boy. Oh, what the fuck? Come on. Who's next? Come on. Come on. Oh, I got hit. Oh.
Max is firing at... I lost me sights on him!
Victory! Let's go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy robot pirate boots. Easy. No big.
Sacré bleu!
Sacré bleu!
I have sprained my ankle! Ah! But have no fear. My less attractive stunt double will battle in my stead. François?
Come on.
It is an honorable discharge.
Large.
Why am I surprised that Pierre's running from a fight? Doesn't matter. I'm getting that signal booster. Looks like you're gonna need a new partner, Pierre.
Oh, slight work. Oh shit.
Con Jr. cannot argue with that.
Stand still and take!
Get out of here. Get out of here. Give me all my coins.
A defeat? But how?
But how?
Eventually and dramatically, I will get my revenge.
He's not getting nothing.
But here, take your
Good
back.
French guy. Hey, thank you, man. Ooh, easy dub.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Eureka! She's done it.
Ratchet, can you hear me? Ratchet, can you hear me?
Clank, are you okay? Where are you? I saw that Lombax take you in.
I am fine. In fact, I am with the Lombax now.
Hey, I'm Rivet.
What?
Hi. Wow, this is...
Oh, wait, okay. I have to tell you something. Dr. Nefarious just crowned himself Emperor of this dimension.
He did what? No. I've got my hands full with my own Nefarious.
That's the thing.
We've got to get him and us out of here, but...
Without the Dimensionator...
I think we have to build a new one. I
Not a
met a
new
prophet from Savali named Gary. He would know what to
Gary.
do.
Gary should know what to do.
I'm only a few sectors away from there. I can go check it out.
What can we do?
Do you have the planet Blizar Prime in this dimension?
Yeah? Why?
We can locate the phase quartz used to power the Dimensionator there. If I am right, we will be able to recreate the device in no time.
Damn, that'd be
I
nice.
guess we better get started then. I'm glad you're okay, buddy.
You
Aw.
too, Ratchet.
Be
Be
careful out there.
Wow. Another Lombax.
Let's build this thing.
Uh-oh.
Nice work back there. Bet we could win the Bronze Cup before heading to Blizar Prime. Wouldn't mind the extra bolts to gear up.
I think this will do it for this episode, folks. This was a banger. Don't forget, leave a like and subscribe. And we'll be back tomorrow with another brand new episode. You won't forget, every day at 8 o'clock, come see me on my YouTube, Phromage. And yeah, start it up. Peace. Much love.